Welcome to Dr. P.C. Verma Economist YouTube economics class. In this class today we will discuss there is a change in the rule of origin by the government of India. Now rule of origin is replaced by proof of origin in India. This will have greater impact and on the issue of export-import. Rule of origin is now replaced by proof of origin in India. The amendment replaces the term certificate of origin, COC, with a broader term, proof of origin, across various rules and forms under the CAROTAR framework. The Global Trade Research Institute said this. GTRI, Global Trade Institute, said, this change comes in conflict with the several existing FTA with ASEAN, etc., where certificate of origin issued by the exporting country is the accepted document. GTRI found that adding the move could make it harder for businesses to do concessional tariff imports. Electronics, white goods, and auto components often shipped through ASEAN Association of Southeast Asian nations countries are likely to face heightening security. GTRI has urged the government to publish a detailed framework outline what qualifies as acceptable proof of origin and to provide redress mechanism for importers facing injustice, denial, or preferential tariff claims. It is said now that importers would have to ensure access to comprehensive supporting documents that establishes origin of goods, which is not always feasible, especially when exporters are reluctant to share sensitive trade data like raw material invoices and production costs. The compliance burden will increase as there is no strict definition of what constitutes adequate proof. If not satisfied, customs can delay preferential tariff. Customs can deny preferential tariffs, effectively imposing full duty and penalty. It is added that imports may also be compelled to share sensitive commercial information, which not only raises privacy and confidentially concerns, but may also subject them to arbitrary or inconsistent treatment. This change dramatically increases the compliance burden for importers. This level of scrutiny, critics argue, could lead to delay at ports, higher legal risk, and greater discretion in custom enforcement, increasing the potential for harassment and corruption, he said. Further, he expressed concern over the amendment may possibly conflict with the commitments India has made in favor of FTA. For instance, under such ASEAN rule, FTA, the certain issues by exporting countries was meant to find the imposition of further requirement by Indian customs not only goes beyond the agreement, but also risk diplomatic fallout. So, changes in rule of origin in conflict with FTA, increase in compliance cost. It is said by Global Trade Research Institute, GTI. Thank you for watching and listening this video.